guys, welcome to Norman Tuason channel, but literally that is my name at my lol. So I'm the one who's using that account. Okay. We are now gonna go toy hunting because I really have old toys, but sometimes when I just make a mess, sometimes I just see cockroach. But if it's small, I just ignore it. But when it is big like the normal EPs, bro, I'm just gonna jump in the bed. Yeah, we have a bunk bed, but the upper bed was just all of my toys, my old toys. Like, never mind about that pumpkin. Okay, ow! But now it's March 27. At April 1, my bestie is going to... Another house. I thought it was a... Wait, it's... Spider. No! Sometimes I get scared of spiders, even it's just like a teenager. What kind of box am I gonna hakot in? Look at my toys. I don't know where's the stick is. Okay. I couldn't take this out. I just putting you in the I'm just charging you. So there you go. Bro, the wires is so messy. Okay. We're gonna pull it. Oh. It's jackass. It's jackass. Okay, this is my old toys. I just remember this hat. But, oh, okay. Where's that kind of doll? I love that doll. That plush is from my mom. But it's actually her toy when she's little. So that's why it looks so old and dirty. So I love this toy so much. Like, it's not a boy, it's a girl. I don't know where's the other girl was because my mom has another one like that. Wait, I think I feel a note here. Wait, I kind of feel something. What is am I feeling? It's just cardboard. I take care of this like crazy that I just wake him up, I just feed him like wet food, I just play with him like and then his hat. But he has another damit. Like, bro, you just please sort this or I will punch you. But I don't know if it's a girl or a boy, this toy. Because there's other doll that it's her hair is longer than this. So I don't know if it's a girl because I haven't seen a girl had a boy cut hair like bro. But I saw one, but it was a Muslim girl. What the heck? But it's my playmate. But you know what? I'm Catholico. But you are a chef? Ay. Bro, can you please just take this on, bro? Just please wear this or I will put you in the trash bin. Okay. Like I done to the tape. The tape that it still have laman. What the crazy. At April 1, my bestie is gonna leave at the house. I don't know. Going on vacation and leave at the house. I don't know. Okay, where's his clothes? Hey, don't you dare sleep at our channel. Oh, where is that? Why are you not pakita to me? When I need you, you are not pakita to me. Oh, this is my old la boom boom. I just found my old Labubu. So, bro, I don't have anyway. I just forget. There's another cellphone that it's mine. I really know what is that cellphone that I'm using to recording. I know the password. The one I'm using for a channel. Okay. Where are you? Hey, you go pakita to me. Is this a pearl? I just found a big pearl in our higa. I mean in our bed. I don't know if you're Filipinos. Ay, Filipino. Look! I found a pearl. Look at the pearl. It's so beautiful. Why did I just work this in our bed? Is our bed a bank? A bank? Bro, this is so crazy. But from now, I'm just keeping this little pearl. Don't you do gulong-gulong. I'm just finding her. I told you, do not sleep. Okay, where is that? Damit? Bro. Bro, it's so messy. It's a hat. Wait, I cannot see something. I thought it was a honey. Never mind, I don't see the damit. Just hayaan it. At least it has another top layer. Because, it's so hot today. Bro, I just got bale. Ikaw? Ayan. Hindi nakapa pa. So, this is what I found. But, I really love this toy. Oh. So, I'm just... Hey, wake up! I told you not sleep in the channel. Sinubunutan. Bro, can you please go? Bro, sumunod ka na, sasapakin kita. I really have 3 language, but the third language is just... I only know 3 words. But at the second language, it has too many. Then the one language, like, but I'm using the one language, the first language. The first language was English. Tapos nung pangalawa, Tagalog. Tapos nung pangatlo, edi Chinese. Ni hao ma. Yes. Di mo nga alam yun yung salita na yan. Pero ako alam. Nung 3 words na yon. Okay. Ni hao. Hello. Ni hao ma. How are you? Yes. Thank you. Okay. So, let's just go return to our first language. Because I was born in English. Englishera. And I just forgot. I told you not to sleep in this channel. Finally, he's awake. I mean, she's awake. Bro, it looks like you're a boy. This hat just suck up all of your hair. Okay. What is your name again? I just forgot what I named you. Because you're a old toy. Okay. Just sit. I'm just gonna make you sit like a dog. This is my old panda toys, like when it was Christmas. Like, bro. Like, my favorite toy! And Melody! This is my favorite toy. And this, it came from another house. Okay, let me get my favorite toy. This is my favorite toy when I was 5 years old. But now I still love it. But I love these two and this and this and this and that. I have so many. Baby tiger! Baby tiger! This is my first thing I like when I was 5 years old. But somehow, she has a eye condition. How poor. Like, bro, where did the second eye go? Like, I'm just finding something to fix baby tiger. And this is has a butas too. I don't know if it was let me just oh yeah, it's it just sued. Okay, so I'm just finding something to cover his eye that it was infected because I didn't cover it. Oh, now she's asleep. Okay, but that is but I don't know is this a cheetah or a tiger, but I still name it baby tiger. This is all of my favorite toys. So bye.